Indian Steel Guard and Titan Secure 9-lever shutter locks. When security is your top priority, you need the best. Introducing the Steel Guard and Titan Secure 9-lever Indian shutter locks. Crafted with precision, these locks feature a stainless steel fortress construction, ensuring unbeatable strength and durability. Product features: 90 millimeters in length, rust-resistant, round-shaped body, accompanied by uniquely crafted keys. Weighs just 500 grams, perfectly balancing robustness and convenience. These locks provide unparalleled security, giving you peace of mind. Because when it comes to protecting what matters most, only the strongest will do. Steel Guard and Titan Secure. Built for strength. Built for security.